Good morning, this is Mr. Banger, and today we're going to review basic laws of exponents. The first law is a monomial times monomial. We sometimes say in class that this is a base times a base. Okay? What you do in this case is you multiply the coefficients, as you see, and you add the exponents of the like variables. So in our example, we would multiply 6 times 5, which is equals 30. And as far as adding the exponents, we have r times r squared. And this r is considered to have the exponent of 1. 1 plus 2 would give me r to the third, giving us our answer as 30 r to the third. And that is multiplying a monomial times a monomial, or base times base. Our next law is a monomial divided by a monomial, or a base divided by a base. As it reads is, you divide the coefficients, which would also be simplifying fractions, and then you subtract the exponents of like variables. So in our case, we have 3 divided by 6, and this wouldn't give us a whole number. It would give us the fraction simplified as 1/2, and we have x to the 4th divided by x. Okay, we have 4 x's on the top, 1 on the bottom. We have 1 on the top, so that would give us 4 minus 1 as x to the third, giving us our answer as this 1/2 times x to the third. This may also be written as x to the third as the numerator and 2 as the denominator. Both of these are synonymous, and both answers would work. Our last law is a monomial raised to a power, which is also known as a power raised to a power, which is a power with an exponent to the outside. And also, it's often written with parentheses with the exponent outside of parentheses as well. So what it asks you to do is distribute exponent to all parts of a monomial, and then you multiply the exponent from each part to the power. So what we have in our last example is we would have 4 raised to the third power, and 4 raised to the third power would give me the value of 64. You would have x raised to the third power, which is just 1 times 3, which gives me x to the third. And you would have y squared raised to the third power. 2 times 3 would give me the value of y to the 6th, thus giving us a combined answer as 64 x to the third y to the 6th.